Hello guys and welcome. This is Konstantin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you on how to make an investment on our pre-sale platform. So first we're gonna have to go to the investment screen and select it over here in the side menu, and then we're going to be seeing this table. Okay, so here we have to make a new investment either by clicking the top button or this one over here from the table. Just as a note, you're not going to be able to see this screen until the pre-sale is going to start. So don't worry, this is going to actually be enabled when the pre-sale is going to start on 10 AM EET, so Eastern European time. So let's go ahead and make a new investment by clicking this button. Okay, so in this screen we're going to have the new investment information. So here on the left we have a few information in regard to how to make the investment. So what we're gonna have to do basically after you have created this investment request. Here in the middle we have the input for entering the amount of the investment. In the first input we have the option to enter the investment amount, but you can also select the cryptocurrency of preference for the investment. So let's go for example with BNB. Here we're going to have the conversion rate for 1 BNB. We're actually taking the price live from Binance, so this is the actual price at the moment of entering your investment amount. So let's say that we want to invest for example 0.2 BNB. We're not going to be allowed to have this because we have the minimum allocation and the max allocation for each investor. So we're gonna have to put in a minimum of $500 equivalent in BNB. So we're gonna have to fix this, and let's put in 1 BNB. And now we have everything valid. We're going to be seeing here how much we're going to be receiving for our investments. Also, if you put in for example 3 BNB, this is going to also update and just state the new amount. But you can also enter the required CN token. So if you want to get 1 million tokens, you can go ahead and put it. You can put the investment amount over here, and this is going to be automatically updated. So over here at the bottom we have the new make investment button. So after you have filled in and checked your investment amount and everything is fine, you can click on make investment, and by doing so are going to be seeing this pop-up. This is telling us that we have created an investment order for this amount. This is the equivalent in US dollars, and that we're going to be receiving this amount of CN tokens. This is the wallet address in which we're going to have to transfer the investment. So you can click on this button to be able to copy the wallet address to your clipboard. So you can do so. Over here, the payment wallet address is actually the wallet address that you have filled in during the KYC process. But if you wish to make the investment from a different wallet address, please specify it over here so we can actually identify your transaction and validate it quicker. Right? So this is going to actually help us to identify your investment. So if it's the same wallet address, you don't have to change anything. So that's perfectly fine. I agree to the purchase agreement and token sale terms. And then we just click on make investment. After clicking make investment, we're going to be seeing the same wallet address for the investment. So this is our wallet address. You can also copy it again to your clipboard, and then at this point we're gonna have to go to your preferred wallet, which is going to be MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or whichever is your preference, but we recommend those two. You make the transfer, you send your investment to this wallet address. After you make the investment, please make sure to copy the transaction ID, and when you have copied the transaction ID after you have completed the investment, you have to go back to this application, which is our platform for the pre-sale. You go to your investments table, so you have here your investment order which you're having. This is the amount of tokens acquired. This is the value in fiat currency. It's lower now because, as I said, we take the value of the BNB live. So it has actually dropped in price, so this is why it shows less now. So you have to go to actions, add transaction ID, and over here please go ahead and input the transaction ID from your wallet that you have copied in regard to the investment that you have just made. So after you have actually successfully completed the transaction ID, you click on submit, and now you can see that the status of your transaction is incomplete. And now it has been updated to processing because you have updated it. Now you can also see the transaction ID over here. And at this point, our team is going to actually validate your investment. It's going to look into the wallet to see that the investment has been received. And at the moment of validation, we're going to convert the investment to a stable coin and just enter you as an investor with a specific CON amount at the moment of processing the transaction. So this is basically it. Now it's in processing. When we're going to be approving it, this is going to also update. We're going to receive a notification for this action to know that everything has worked properly. And yeah, this is basically it. If you have any other questions, or if you stumble upon anything that doesn't work, or just don't know how to proceed from that point, just write to us on our email address, which is info@seedon.io, and someone from our team is going to reply to you and will assist you in moving the process forward. Thank you for your attention, and bye for now.